Hi everybody. Today we are going to learn the uses of some or any. Some or any are used as a plural countable and uncountable nouns. Some is used only in affirmative sentences. You can say only in positive sentences. And the any is used in negative and questions. Okay, just follow me. I have some questions. In negative, I do not have any questions. I do not have any questions. In questions, we can say, do you have any questions? Do you have any questions? I have some questions. माझे काही प्रश्न आहेत. I do not. I have some questions. माझे काही प्रश्न आहेत. I do not have any questions. माझे काहीही प्रश्न नाहीत. Do you have any questions? Any questions? तुमचे काही प्रश्न आहेत का? काही प्रश्न आहेत का? There is some milk in the glass. Some milk in the glass. ग्लास मध्ये काहीसे दूध आहे. ग्लास मध्ये काहीसे दूध आहे. There is not any milk in the glass. Not any milk in the glass. ग्लास मध्ये काहीही दूध नाही. ग्लास मध्ये काहीही दूध नाही. Is there any milk in the glass? Is there any milk in the glass? ग्लास मध्ये काही दूध आहे का? ग्लास मध्ये काही दूध आहे का? I can give you some suggestions. I can give you some suggestions. मी तुम्हाला काही सजेशन्स देऊ शकतो. मी तुम्हाला काही सजेशन्स देऊ शकतो. I cannot give you any suggestions. I cannot give you any suggestions. मी तुम्हाला काहीही सजेशन्स देऊ शकत नाही. मी तुम्हाला काहीही सजेशन्स देऊ शकत नाही. Can you give me any suggestions? Can you give me any suggestions? तुम्ही मला काही सजेशन्स देऊ शकता का? तुम्ही मला काही सजेशन्स देऊ शकता का? आता मी तुम्हाला now I am just going to tell you affirmative sentences and you tell me the negative sentences. Are you all right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I have some questions. I do not have any questions. I have some newspapers. I do not have any newspapers. Say loud. I have some problems. I do not have any problems. I do not have any problems. I have some jokes. I do not have any jokes. I have some applications. I do not have any applications. There is some milk in the glass. There is not any milk in the glass. There is some petrol in the bike. There is not any petrol in the bike. There is some amount in the account. There is not any amount in the account. There is some balance in the mobile. There is not any balance in the mobile. I can give you some suggestions. I cannot give you any suggestions. I can tell you some problems. I cannot tell you any problems. I can tell you some I can give you some advices. I cannot give you any advices. Great. Now I will ask you questions and you have to answer me. Do you have any questions?
Yes.
I have some questions. No, I do not have any questions. Do you have some problems? Yes, I have some problems. No, I do not have any problems. Do you have some patience? Yes, I have some patience. No, I do not have any patience. Is there any milk in the glass? Yes, there is some milk in the glass. No, there is not any milk in the glass. Is there any petrol in the bike? Yes, there is some petrol in the bike. No, there is not any petrol in the bike. Is there any confidence in the students? Yes, there is some confidence in the students. No, there is not any confidence in the students. Can you give me any suggestions? Yes, I can give you some suggestions. No, I cannot give you any suggestions. Can you tell me some jokes? Yes, I can tell you some jokes. No, I cannot tell you any jokes. Can you ask me any questions? Yes, I can ask you some questions. No, I cannot ask you any questions. Okay, did you understand this? Yes. Are you enjoying?
Yes.
All right, bye bye.
Bye.